Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share the recipe of chicken chargha, which is very tempting and you won't regret if you will try it. So let's get started. So this is a whole chicken which is 1000 gram. I have made deep cuts like this so the marination goes well. So these are the spices which we are going to use in marination. Half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon corriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon garam masala, and a pinch of zarda color, 3 tablespoon vinegar, 1 lemon juice, 1 cup yogurt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now we take a big bowl to make marination. In a bowl, we will add yogurt, all spices, ginger garlic paste, vinegar, lemon juice, egg, and then we will mix it. So the marination is ready and we marinate the whole chicken in this. Wow, it looks very glossy. So we will keep it in the fridge for at least 24 hours for maximum result and taste. Then cook the chicken in a pot at medium-low flame. We will cook each side for at least 7 minutes. Now we are going to deep fry this chicken. We will fry each side for at least 5 minutes. Wow, final look is superb. My whole family love it. If you are a chicken lover, then definitely this recipe is for you. Try it and you will fall in love with it. Sprinkle chaat masala and lemon juice on the top. And don't forget to tell me in the comments if you like this recipe.